Hey, this is Lego Jackie Productions, and I'm here to do another review. This time it's on the Battle Force Nerf thing. That's Nerf N-Strike. You know, that thing with the Nerf tag? Yeah, but I'm just doing it on the guns. So you guys know guns are most fun. So they come with a lot of these bullets, I think 20 of these bullets with the Velcro. 20 of these bullets, 10 for each gun. Oh, I don't have 20 here, but I actually just got it yesterday. 36 new ones. Yeah, I just got those. I know this is not Lego Star Wars, and I haven't made a video in a while, but I'm sorry, I was very busy. And I'll start doing Lego Star Wars on the next video, okay? It will, be on something. I don't know. I might get off topic of Lego Star Wars for a while. Okay, so... Sorry about that. So... I would say these guns are pretty good. I mean, it's easy to reload. I'll take the red one, for instance. Let me back it up. Basically what you do, you just pull that back, and it's easy to load. I mean, you could do this, like, rapid fire. Like rapid fire, really quick. It could be like, you can't really see it. So. But there's a downfall. I mean, I know that there's a downfall of making it go rapidly. The downfall is that, look, I know it can hold 5 extra darts, but it can't shoot 6 at a time, like that. No, it can only shoot 1. Oh, that hurt. I kind of shot myself. So, you just do that. And so, that's the downfall, because you're gonna have to, like, okay, say for instance, you're like, fire! And after you fire, you take that out and put it back in. So that's really annoying. But you could attach this to a tactical rail by that, and there's just the basic handgun. So, now, I'll give you range fire. Okay? Ready? For the red one. Aiming straight. Ready? Fire. I'll shoot 3 for each. Ready? Fire. Whoa. Oh, I didn't plug it in. Okay, ready? Fire. Ready? Fire. That one went the farthest. I'll be sure where they went. Okay, 2 ended at the exact same spot. Okay, from there to there. Wait, I was right there. Wait, where was I? Oh, I was right here. So, it went really far. I would say that's about... feet at the most. 12, 11, 10, around that area. Maybe from 14 to 10 feet around that area. And I would say this is about 19, 18, or 17. So yeah, 18. That is 18 feet. I think, no, wait, since that, oh, 20. That's about 19 to 20 feet. Okay. Now for the blue one. Yay. For the blue one. Okay. Yeah, that last one went surprisingly far. Ready? Ready, set, go. Whoa. How suckish is that? Some springs might be bad than the other. Like the springs that, the type of the gun. Spring gun. Okay, I'll show you where they're at. I would say that's about 5 feet, the first one. I would say that's about 8 or 7. And I would say that's 9. And that's about all for the bullet test of those 2 guns. So rate, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and make sure to subscribe. So rate, comment, subscribe, and bye.